Good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, Only Wood Floors, answering the question, can you sand half of my room and then sand the other half? No, we can, but I want to show you and explain how that can be done. You can't go cross grain, you can't go cross boards, and I'm going to show you what that means. Let me turn this around. Got a great example today. I want to use this. So we did half of this room. So here's the whole, you come in, this is all finished. Someone's calling me. What is that about? No, I don't want to talk to you. And here we go. So we stop it here in the doorway. So what you can't do is, you see every board is different. It's like fingerprints. It's like personalities. So you can't stop it cross grain. So in this room, we were able to do half because we stopped it on one board all the way down. We would not have been able to go cross grain and do that half of the room. You have to do it, because when we finish this now, you'll never see that line. If we had to try to do this, you can see how every board is different. So people ask, hey, can you do half of the room? And it's like, we can maybe, but it has to be with the grain of the wood. It can't be cross grain. So I hope that makes sense. Any questions, reach out to us. Copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Wood Floors. Let us know. We always answer the questions. We are out of here.